Guten Morgen, welcome to another video. So today we are here with another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw patterns in Python. The reason for teaching these patterns are like it's if you want to learn machine learning as well as testing in embedded or electronics, you need to learn Python. So in this video I will try to teach these patterns, and like I have specific two patterns for today's video, and I will try to make things easy so that you can understand how the things are working. So for the first, I will show you. Today we are going to make this pattern, a triangle pattern. So for this, you can see that number of rows from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will teach you that how this thing's gonna work here. So let's start. Okay, so I will do it again here. So you can see this graph, and now you have to understand how the things are working for this. So you can see that number of rows are 6, so you have to type rows equal to 6. Okay, and then and after this you have to create a for loop. So for I in range, and then rows, and after this semicolon, and then after this you have to create a for loop. Two nested loop I will create here, so we need to keep the spacing for 4 gaps. So let's start for j in range, and then we will create this rows, and then minus I minus 1, and after this here you have to write print, and now you have to print the empty spaces. So semicolon comma int is equal to, and we will close this loop, and then we will create another loop for this here. So for j in range, and then 2 into I plus 1. We will close this also, and this, and then we will print the stars here. So print, and then print is because we are printing stars, comma int, and to summarize this we will write a print statement p. Okay, so now our code is ready, and it will like create a pattern like this triangle pattern. So let's see, we will save this, increase the size so that you can observe it. Now Python crack.py. Look, so we can see that here we have created a diamond pattern. If you want to understand the logic that how it has been created, so again you can go into the code, and you can see here rows, minus I minus 0. So this is rows, total number of rows is 6 starting from 0 to 5. So you can put here numbers, you can put 6 now starting from 0. 6 minus 0 minus 1, it will be 5. Yeah, and then 6 minus 1 minus 1, if you go 1. So 6 here, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and like the things will be created. It will be for the empty spaces, and then we will put for the stars. So 2 into I plus 1 starting from 0. So 2 into 0 plus 1, it will be 1. So here the first star is created, and so on if you follow the mathematics. So this is how you have to understand the logic for creating any Python project, and this is important. So if you learn this, so that you can understand how the things are working. Apart from this, I will also show you another pattern. So now after this I will create another pattern. So here this pattern will be like I will creating a shape of like X. So how this thing's gonna work, so most of the things will be the same. Here also we are going to create a 2 nested loops, and how this loop will work I will show you. So just increase the size here, like py. So I think most of the things are correct. Still we will change from here. Let's change here also. Here for j in range, here we will remove these two things. Okay, and now after this we will create a condition for this. So if I is equal to j or j is equal to rows minus 1 minus I, and then we'll go here, then we will print wait here, then we will print stars, or you can print anything, whatever you want, but stars is like a star, comma, end, and then this, we will close this. Else, again we have a condition, else we will have to create a empty loop also, empty pattern also, so that it will be look like that, that how the cross is working. So here, so yeah, so here print and comma, and let's print now. The reason for like doing the spacing here I'm doing, because Python is very strict in these things. So if you don't have this proper spacing, in that case it doesn't matter your code is correct or not, it won't compile. So that's why we need to keep the things like how the spacings are work. Like suppose for here, like we have created a for loop, so for that we need to create a spacing of 4 if you're working in like a ordinary environment, like if you're working in Ubuntu. Maybe I'm not sure about the VS Code. So similarly here also four spacing are there, that's why I have given the spaces. So now let's compile this and let's see. We'll say in Python prec.py, so you can see this X pattern like this. Let's do something more fun. Let's see, in let's make this thing bigger. So let's 10. Look how it's going big, because it's working on the logic, not on the predefined number. So again we will change. Let's make it 100, not 150. Let's back. Whoa, you can see. So yeah, this is how the logics works inside the Python. So this is all about the video. The reason for teaching these patterns are like, if you understand how the patterns as well how the loops are working in Python, it will be very easy for you to learn machine learning or anything, whatever you want to learn in Python or from Python. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.